take a look at what we are about to create in this video. Hey beautiful people, my name is Esther and welcome to Esther's Hair Collections, where your beauty dreams truly come alive. Are you tired of searching for that perfect hair that just feels right? Or maybe you're looking for nails that make a statement everywhere you go? At Esther's, we've carefully curated the finest human hair and premium synthetic blends, from bouncy curls to sleek straight styles, and even those gorgeous kinky textures. Whatever look you desire, we have the quality that lasts, shines, and turns heads. No more worries about tangling or shedding. Woo, just pure, luxurious beauty. This tutorial is a straight-to-the-point video. The entire process will be explained step by step to make it easy for you to follow. I will show you my secret on how to solve some problems you will be facing when trying to create this type of AI video. But note, if you don't watch this entire video, you cannot create your own video perfectly. To get started, click on the link under this video description to go to the Flow website. From here, click on Create with Flow. After that, click on Create New Project to start a new project. After you have created your new project, now click in the text box down here to enter your prompt. But before typing in anything, you need to know how to write a good detailed prompt to get perfect result like what you saw in the intro of this video. The question on your mind now is, how do you come up with a good prompt to achieve a great video result? Don't stress yourself, because I will be showing you my secret of crafting a good and detailed prompt for your video even as a complete beginner. Before you create your video, let us understand how to come up with a detailed prompt for video 3. To come up with a detailed good prompt, we have two methods of doing this. But the second method is the easiest and fastest. The first method is you can write your video prompt using your head, which I know that will be hard for you. And that is what brings us to the second method, which is using AI to write the video prompt. And by far, this is the best method ever. So let's start. This is an example of a detailed prompt that was written using AI. For this, you can use ChatGPT or you can use Google Gemini. For this video, I'm working with Google Gemini. Go to ChatGPT or Google Gemini and type in what you want to create the video about. For example, I type in this description. I want to create an advertisement video for a brand called Esther's Hair Collections. They sell hairs, fix nails. The lady speaking should be in the hair shop. I want to create this video with video 3. Please provide me a prompt to use and what the lady should say. Remember, this is Nigeria. So this is a description of what I want to create my video about. So before you go on creating your video, you must imagine what you want to achieve. That is what you want to create your video about, the kind of brand you want to create that video for. So after typing in this in the text box area here, you need to send it. And after sending it, you're going to get an answer from Google Gemini or ChatGPT. The next step is the most important part that you need to pay close attention to if you want to achieve a great result. So here we have gotten our answer from Google Gemini. What you will do from here is to read through this prompt. So from here, we are going to copy your 3 prompt Esther's Hair Collection advertisement. We are going to copy from here, and then we are going to come down. You will stop at this place. Starting from here is the script of the lady, that is your character, what your character is going to be saying. So we don't want to copy that yet. We just copy from here and stop at this. So we are going to copy this, and then we'll open a Word document, and from here we are going to put in our prompt inside a Word document. Let me quickly explain this prompt so most of you won't have challenges with this. So from this prompt, you can see we have our video style. So for this particular video, upbeat, warm and inviting, focus on natural lighting and a clean, vibrant aesthetic. If you see this sample video, you can observe the detailed lighting and the clean and how clean and vibrant this video is. That is because of this video style. Now, if you come down, this is the location. That is where that video is going to be taking place. So for this video, I want it to be inside Esther's Hair Collection shop. You can see it is boldly stated here, Esther's Hair Collection shop. And this is the shop. The shop should look professional yet welcoming, with good display of hair extension and a neat nail station visible. Now, if you come down here, the next one is the character. So this is the character that is going to be in the video. So for this character, we have this is the main character, and then this is the background activity. For the main character, we are using a friendly, well-groomed Nigerian woman in her late 20s to early 40s. She should exude confidence. So from here, in the main character area, you can give a description of the kind of clothing style that character should be wearing. I'm going to explain to you why that particular sentence is necessary later in this video. So make sure you watch to the end of this video. So if you come down, we have our camera shot. So we have opening shot, mid-video shot, and then we have ending shot. All these shots are being described by AI, okay? So if you are trying to do this by yourself, you won't be able to get that perfectly. Then the next thing we have here is the mood and tone of that video, we are trying to. From the description that I gave Google Gemini, it gives me this description: empowering, luxurious, no hair salon, should be luxurious. So that's why we have that. Authentic and trustworthy, emphasize beauty, self-care, and quality. You can see that is the tone or the mood of the video. Now, if you come down, we have key visuals to capture. This is what the video should capture. So from here, the various textures and colors of our extension, this is going to give a good detail to this AI, what we are trying to achieve. Then if you come down here, then we have the last one here is the music. So this is the background music under the video, okay? So you can see how cool that is. Now we are going to go ahead. We have gotten our prompt now. This is our prompt. Go back to Google Gemini and then come down. So our next thing we need to do here is you are going to copy the script that you want the character to say. Copy the script. So let's copy up to this point. I will copy this prompt. So from here, we are going to paste in the script that we want the character to say. So this is the script for the lady speaking. So you can see this is beginning. So you can quickly use your hand to edit this script. Anything you want to include in your own video, you can add within this script. After getting that, it's time for us now to go ahead to generate our video from the prompt we have just gotten. Go down, and then for this, you are going to copy the first paragraph. Copy the first paragraph, and then we'll scroll up. When you scroll up, look for where you see your main character. This is where my main character is. So after the description of the main character stops the final place, what we are going to do, we are going to type in something here. So for this, we are going to say, she says. So because we want her to say something, she says. So we open a quote, and then we paste in what we want her to say from the script that we have gotten. So here we have just added what we want our main characters to say. After that, we are going to copy the entire prompt, okay? Copy the entire prompt and not this, because after creating the first scene, we'll go back to our script and take the second paragraph, then go back to our prompt and replace that with what the character should say for the second scene. Go back to flow, and then come in the text box area, just paste in the entire prompt that you have just gotten and click on settings. So here, click on settings. Then from this place, you need to select the model you want to use. We have 4 models here, but the one we'll be going with is 2 models. So for this, you either select View 3, fast text to video, or you select View 3, quality. If you want to have audio and voiceover added to your video, this is a 2 model that you should select from. But remember, if you select the View 3 quality, it's going to consume 100 credit points. But so we are going to be going with View 3 fast. So select that, and then after that, make sure that text to video here is selected. For this, select text to video. After that, come down and click on generate. What I'm teaching you now is what most people are charging money to teach. So appreciate my effort by liking this video and typing create more of this video in the comment section if you need more tutorial videos on this. Before we take a look at our video, let me tell you something. You are going to encounter one problem, which is when trying to create your next video scene, your characters won't be consistent. But don't worry, I'll show you how to solve that problem. Before we talk about how to solve that problem, let's take a look at our video output. Hey beautiful people, my name is Esther and welcome to Esther's Hair Collections, where your beauty dreams truly come alive. And there you can see how clean and authentic that video is. That is going to be our first scene according to our script. So the next thing we need to do there is to create the second scene for this second paragraph. Now, to create your second video for the next scene, go back to your script and copy the next part of your script. But remember, View 3 only creates 8 seconds video as of the time of recording this video. So you need to copy small part of your script that can be around 8 seconds. Let's just copy this. Then we'll go back to Flow. On the first video that you created, click on the Reuse Prompt button here and look for where your character is talking. So you are going to replace that with the next sentence that we want the character to say. So if you come, this is our character, and then we are going to see that this was what our character was saying. So we are going to highlight what the character was saying, and then we'll paste in what we want the character to say next after saying the first video. So after that, that's only what you're going to replace in this. So you're going to do this for each of your scene until you complete your video script. So from here, you're going to click on send. But that is not all. Before we take a look at our video result, there's another problem that you will face, and that is joining your video together to have a complete video. I will show you my secret of doing that later in this video. Let's take a look at our second video output. Seconds. Are you tired of searching for that perfect hair that just feels right? Or maybe you're looking for nails that make a statement everywhere you go, so you can see how cool and realistic that video is. Remember, for you to have access to View 3, you must have a paid plan. So go and watch my video using the link in this video description on how to get access to View 3 for 30 days free after watching this video. So from here, you will continue creating your video until you complete your script if you want to have a complete video. After completing your video according to your script, then here is the final step. To join your videos together, you can use CapCut or Canva.